Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send Ethereum from Coinbase to MetaMask wallet. The first thing I want you to do is just go to your MetaMask wallet and make sure that you actually switch to Ethereum mainnet, okay? Make sure you switch to that, and then I want you to copy your account address. And after that, just go to Coinbase, come at the top right, click on send or receive, enter the amount that you would like to basically send, okay, from Coinbase to your MetaMask wallet, enter that amount, and then we'll be paying with Ethereum, of course, and then just enter the address right here, paste it in, and you can add an optional note, click here on continue, and you'll be able to review everything right here. You click on send now, confirm the sending from your authenticator app, just enter the code, right, and then click on confirm, and it will be sent. And you can just go ahead here back and check. You should have received it. Just make sure that you are not on BNB chain. You are on the Ethereum mainnet, okay? And you should see it right there. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.